Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about Vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to set alarm ringtone on Vivo mobile. Friends, we want to set alarm ringtone on your Vivo phone. So how to set alarm ringtone in this video friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe this channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to set alarm ringtone on Vivo mobile. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Vivo phone. So friends, scroll it and friends click on Vivo mobile sound and vibration setting. Click on sound and vibration friends. After sound and vibration friends, you can see media volume, ringtone volume, notification volume, alarm volume. So friends, you can increase and decrease the sound from here. So friends, you can see here do not disturb setting. Friends, you want to enable do not disturb on your Vivo mobile. So friends, you can enable from here and you can disable from here. So when scroll it friends, you can see phone ringtone. Friends, you want to set ringtone on your Vivo mobile, you can set ringtone from here. Friends, you want to set your notification ringtone, so you can select your notification ringtone and you can set. Friends, click on alarm ringtone and friends, which ringtone friends do you like guys, select ringtone. Example guys, I will select guys this ringtone. After set friends, now we will increase alarm volume from here. As you can see, we can use alarm ringtone will set on our your phone device. And friends, you want to change, so friends again click on your alarm ringtone sound and friends, which ringtone do you like guys, select, and guys your alarm ringtone will change on your Vivo phone device. And friends, you can adjust this alarm volume from here. So like that friends, you can set and change your alarm ringtone on your Vivo phone. And friends, you can change from your search option direct and search your alarm ringtone. So when direct search here alarm ringtone friends, click at direct friends, you can change alarm ringtone and you can set alarm ringtone from here. Select here, alarm ringtone will change on your Vivo phone device guys. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.